Here's how to find your Facebook username. Now I have my iPhone and my Android. I'm going to show you exactly how to find that username and maybe change it if you feel like it. On iPhone, you can see the menu button at the bottom right, but you might see 3 lines at the top left. If you do, tap on those, or if you see menu, tap on that. On Android, you should see the menu button at the bottom right, or again, it might be at the top right with 3 lines. So just tap on it depending on where you see it. From here, scroll down and open up Settings and Privacy on either device. Next, tap on Settings at the top. And then scroll down and tap on See More in Account Center. Next, tap on Profiles and Personal Details. And then tap on Facebook, of course. There is Facebook. And next, tap on Username right under Name. You can see this is my username. It's also my URL. So your username will be facebook.com/your username. You can tap on it and you can change it to something else. However, keep in mind, if it says username not available, you will have to keep typing in something until you see that green check mark indicating that it is an available username if you want to change it. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that. And thanks for watching.